Instead of putting socks on my feet, I put them over my shoes. This trick works brilliantly in winter. The fabric increases friction and acts like a makeshift anti-slip layer on icy sidewalks. Just pull a sock over your shoe and you're good to go. It helps you walk more confidently without stress or fear of slippery pavement. Take this with you from home and spray the soles of your shoes. I don't leave the house in winter without it. Apply it thoroughly so the entire sole is covered. A slightly sticky layer forms, helping the sole grip slippery surfaces better. All you need is regular hairspray. It's an ideal solution for icy and wet sidewalks, especially when you need to head out right away. Remember to reapply it regularly, as the hairspray layer gradually wears off while walking. There's also another method that's just as simple and quick. Use adhesive bandages. Only 2 are enough. Stick them to the soles of your shoes, but the way you apply them matters. Placing them in an X shape creates an effective anti-slip layer. Do the same with the other shoe. Remember to replace the bandages when they wear out or peel off. Just like the hairspray, the effect isn't permanent, but it works very well and is more than enough for a short walk or getting to work safely. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle. In winter, I always keep rice in my pocket. Pour rice into a sock, tie it in a knot, and heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. Put the sock in your jacket pocket. Whenever your hands get cold, take it out and warm them up. Rice retains heat for a long time and releases it gradually, helping your hands warm up quickly and stay comfortable. It's the perfect hand warmer when it's really cold outside. This is a winter trick you need to know. Put rubber gloves on your hands, then put on your favorite gloves. The rubber layer creates an extra protective barrier, traps heat, and effectively shields your hands from cold and wind. It's a quick solution that noticeably improves comfort on cold days. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle. This is how I lowered my bills in winter. Stick double-sided tape to the frame. Then, remove the protective layer and attach the bubble wrap over the entire surface. The bubble wrap acts as an extra layer of insulation, trapping heat inside and protecting against the cold from outside. Not only will you take care of your bills, but you'll also improve the insulation in your home. Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is.
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks and freezing temperatures, you know regular de-icers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.